We back. Hoodie switch. Yo, I take a shower during lunch. I go to the gym in the morning, and then I always shower. So that's why a lot of times I have different hoodie on. What time do you usually? 6 o'clock usually. I'm up. We're back, Sean. We're back. What up, 007? Yeah, I'm up at 6 a.m. usually. Man, what's up, Joyce? My account was definitely down like $1,200, and I just made it back on this short. You're bullish? I also flipped some Tesla and MSTR options while showering. Came back to $450 of gains, which was real nice. Yeah, it looks like it's getting heavy. It's definitely looking like it's getting heavy. I mean, we're up a lot. Definitely up a lot. I know it sounds crazy, but I wonder if they close it at 21,500. I almost want to take some and just for the hold. Trump market, dude, you have no idea what you're in for once Trump takes office. I'm not saying he's not going to be good for the country. I'm just saying for the markets, dude, he's going to get fucking wild, man. He's going to say fuck China. He's going to say all types of shit. You know, we're going to tax everybody. We're going to tariff all these countries. That dude's going to get wild. If you weren't trading in 2016 to 2020, you got no idea what's coming. You could just be hanging out, relaxing. You could be up on the day, and you're like, oh, you know what? Let me just get in a long right here. You jump in that long. Trump's magic fingers just start working. He hits that fucking send button. All of a sudden, you forgot to put a stop loss in. All of a sudden, boom, 150 points down, 200 points down. What's crazy is you go down that far, and then sometimes it come all the way back. Boom, 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 boom. Not. This would be an awesome little bear flag. Me, I'm not crying. I'm just saying it's wild, wild, wild. Shit. Wait. What is the fucking? Did that not stop me out? There we go. I have no idea, Sean. Let's go. Maybe a pullback, a little pullback action, and then we go up. Or are we just going to go up? A little pullback. What up, Lee? Well, I was waiting for a pullback. Seems you dog walking? Is that what it is right now? Are you on the walk? Just a. This is the account I'm testing it in 157. So we're up. We're up on the day. The account is up overall. Things are good. The account actually should be up like $2,000 from yesterday, but I just couldn't follow the script because I'm an idiot. But I should have been up a bunch yesterday. I was down like 1,700 yesterday or something like that, and it should have been up like 500. Any good strategies? I mean, you could have just played 200 bounce. 200 bounce. We traded back in the hourly opening range to take that short. There's definitely, oh man, there's definitely strategies I back tested that literally that just happened. Account is done. I'm waiting for a little pullback. Monday, futures, it closes at 1 p.m., just so everybody knows. Martin Luther King Day, futures close at 1. So we're only going to stream once that day, and we'll stream probably like 10:30 till close. Yo, we're supposed to get some snow? I just got a text that I'm supposed to get a bunch of snow. Oh, wow. Wow, when am I getting this snow? Dude, you guys up in New Jersey are going to get snow too. It's 1 p.m., yeah, and then reopens at 6. Oh, Sunday during the day and then night. Thoughts on calls for Apple? They just came out with the news saying that they're losing people in China. Their China customers are going way down for, the other. I think China is telling them not to use Apple. I don't know if that's like public, but the other companies are gaining market share on Apple in China, and that's why it dropped, I think, yesterday so much. I mean, this is one of those times you just gotta scout. Oh, yo, who told me about the goat chart? Who was talking goat chart? I got questions. Design knob, perfect. Yo, I just added this Kelter channel. Why does it look like this? Why does it look like this? Am I supposed to be on a tick chart? Is that the problem? What's the issue here? I gotta go on it. I can't do a tick chart. They want me to upgrade. I got to upgrade for ticks. Nah, it won't let me. It won't let me for anything. I got to be on a time frame. I am going to add. You know what I could add it on? I could add it on. What do you call it? Quant Tower. I could do it on. Watch us romp really fucking hard into close. Actually, I could probably do it on Ninja Trader too. I gotta figure it out after hours. Cole, were you doing that other indicator that you posted? Yeah. Which one are you talking about? Are you talking about this one? This one or the other one? The problem, if you watch the video on that one, you can get into some serious drawdown issues. You would have, you would have been right. Like this was a win. This was a win. This was a win. I mean, you would have won all day. Jeez, this thing is just. I mean, you broke the downtrend. I would say you're bear flagging, but it's kind of weird. In theory, this bar broke the bear flag. Every time we've come down, we've bounced. So I wonder what happens here on the 5. Yo, what up, David? What up? What up? Yo, make sure everybody's freaking up and listening. Everybody awake? What up? What up? Wakey, wakey. Dude, I don't know about you guys, but there's some chick on freaking Instagram, and she's like, wakey, wakey, eggs and bakey. And it's literally, she plays the same video every single day. Every single day, it's the same video. And she's got like 40,000 subscribers or something. Soon to be a lot more once, what do you call it? Banned. TikTok is banned. Wakey, wakey, eggs and bakey. Yo, we in the chop zone for real. Anybody actually in a position now, long or short? Wakey, wakey. Come on, let's go. Pick it up. Some people are in the bent over position. Fucking just scalping a couple bucks here and there. Just scalping, reducing the loss in that account just a tidbit. Come on. I never grabbed the other one. Where was the other one? Oh, didn't go low enough. Where the fuck is that? Bring me up to the promised land, baby. I said that before, Keith. I said that before. I think you could definitely ruin your weekend right here. I mean, I think they can get enough juice in the tank to pop this a little bit here. Nothing crazy, just a little pop for daddy. Let's go. Oh, man. When P&L turns red, rage sets in. Weekend ruined. I mean, we'll see. I don't think we're going to flash dump. Trying to get to the live channel. There we go. Boom!
We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore.
Yo, I thought there would be some profit taking, to be honest with you. I assumed that we were going to bear flag here and then just roll over. Kind of like, you know, just wah. But right here, when I thought we would, they bounced this shit. Bounced it. Hard. Super hard. Dude, I don't know about you guys, man. I was like extra hungry today, man. I ate so much freaking food for lunch. I want Mexican food for dinner is what I want. Some good old sloppy Mexican food, like the one where like the cheese is leaking out. Not like healthy Mexican, like the dirty South Mexican. Wong. I got this place by me that's like known for their crunch wraps. Oh, they're so good. So filling, but so good. Honestly, this looks like it's going to probably come up and test. Oh, that's dangerous. That's really fucking dangerous. Check this out. We're at the hourly pivot point right here. 648 is the hourly pivot. Ooh, baby, does that look juicy or what? I mean, what up, Pascal? I mean, what up, Mo? I mean, if you were going to short this, oh man, that's a pretty good freaking spot. What up, Bartolo? Oh man, this can just lose it. Oh my God, traded right back up into this fair value gap. Let me just see a couple things. I'm kind of interested. I mean, this would be a spot and a half. I kind of like the short on like the longer time frames. Oh, I got my pro account. Yo, I might take this in my pro account. Listen, there's a couple of things. I'm kind of biased. Like, I feel like there's going to be a little profit taken here. There's going to be a little profit taking here. I feel like on top of profit taking, dude, I wish I had an eval I can just fucking throw at this, to be honest with you. I might just 96. Or I'm going to get stopped out of all of it right here, which can definitely happen. Dude, you ain't kidding, man. The problem is I like it on the bigger time frame to the downside, but on the smaller time frame, it's still got a little uptrend going on. You know, are we going to get that crash right now? Like, I don't know. You know, you could trade back up into the pivot. Like, here's a good example. Here's the 15-minute chart. I mean, you start clearing 46. It's looking really good to the upside. You got a 15-minute inside candle, and we're still inside this one. But I mean, you break this 45, 46, it's going to expand to the upside. Same goes to the downside. It'd be like 23 would be the kicker. I mean, look how tight this is on if you look at the 15, it's this inside candle. We're still inside the range of the previous candle, but you start going outside, it can get real interesting. That's kind of where I'm going to see how I want to go about it, is probably anything that's under 23, I'd probably short, and over 43, maybe I take a long. Yo, Fred, it's definitely an interesting day. You know what sucks about today is the big move happened pre-market. This is all pre-market. Going long. I'm not even gonna. Yeah, Eminem, long, 100%. I want to see it get under. I really want to see it get under 23. Yeah, I mean, I don't have like today in general. Well, I caught this short, which was nice. I'm not like biased to the short side at all. I just think that this could have been like the big Trump rah-rah, and now they're going to sell it off and take profits, because who really knows what the fuck he's going to say at the podium? Who knows what he's going to say on day one? So I think a lot of people come end of day are going to start taking some chips off the table, but it doesn't have to be right now. It could be in an hour from now. You know, it could be the last 10 minutes of the market. All the losses I had, big. Yeah. I agree. I agree. Most of the time, I do like it long. I'm just putting together what I think could happen and what other people are thinking about. You know, Trump's coming in, not really sure what's going to happen. This is the line I want to get under 23. Get under and stay under. Did you trade take profit trader accounts today? Yeah, that's these accounts are take profit trader. This one's up, down, and this is my pro account. I got a Tradeify account by mistake. I got rebilled, but I got $725 in it. So it's a good start, right? Not a bad start. I just need another $5,275 and I got a payout. What's the drawdown? Drawdown's only $3,000. That's actually kind of rough. I didn't realize the drawdown was so small and you got to get such a big profit in Tradeify. Hold. Yeah. I just think they're going to bounce it here at the 200. So I'm just out. Well, I hope you liked it. I hope you liked the short. Played out. I'm out. I'm afraid it's going to bounce right here. Code, did you see the video about ATF lawsuit? Yeah, I did. I mean, I don't know. It's just so funny that they said how much money Apex is making per month, and everybody was like worried that Apex wasn't going to pay them, but yet they're making freaking $10 million a month. Super fucking tight. I'm just curious if they blow through. I'm curious if they blow through and it catches a bunch of stops is really what I'm looking for. This is risky as shit. Super, super, super fucking risky. I was looking for it to come down. It takes out people's stops and you basically algo candle down is what I was looking for. Doesn't seem like it's happening. Seems like we got it here a little bit and they brought it right back up. And then you just got a little bit here and they just brought it right back up. So the odds are it's probably not going to fucking flash dump. You want to see it catch stops. All of a sudden it catches stops and it'll just fucking unload. That's really what you want to see. You know, there's a lot of people that have stops at around this range. Oh, it broke to 200. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I mean, I made money, but it really wasn't what I wanted, to be real. You know, I was looking for the flash down to 600 is really what I wanted, but whatever. Profit's profit, right? Isn't that what they say? Is that how it goes? Profit's profit. Green is green. Green is green. Yeah, look at that shit. That's what I didn't want to happen to me. You don't go broke taking profit. Nope. Nope. Yeah, a lot of green on the board. I had to make up the Diddy candle. Yesterday I just kind of sucked yesterday. So I said I was gonna make it back up today. And I think we did. I think solid day. Oh man. Well, I gotta play it for the last day, for the last trading day that he's around.
700 billion and $1.3 trillion.
Who's making that much money? Who's making that? We did it. We did it, Cove.
We did it. We did it, Joe.
Yo, everybody in the chat making that much money. Yo, I hope so, man. Your brother at the casino. Dude. Did I tell you guys that my brother hit for $68,000 on DraftKings like 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago? Dude, my brother won DraftKings for $68,000. Yeah. Dude, you blew your XFA. One day I'll learn. Yeah, my take profit trader, it just got activated. And I just made 66 bucks in it. It was like just a quick whatever, just to get. Yo, they take the taxes right out though. So like when he won, he was only left with like $45,000 or $48,000. They want their money right then and there. It reminded me of that story where that guy won like 15,000 or something, and he like posted that he was going to get it, and then DraftKings withheld it and sent it to his baby mama for child support. Yo, this is the candle I wanted right here that we did not get. This is what I thought would happen. Phew, that was a nice dump. Maybe I should go down to AC this weekend, put it all in black. Yo, we about to get some snow up here. Some big snow. Dude, trend is down. Keith, you still in? Mine says 1 to 2, and then Sunday night is 1 to 3. So I think we can get like up to 5 or 6 inches. I think that's what this is a super small shot that says that we don't trade above 600. And if we do, whatever, super small. I just risk reward is just there. To me, at least, you know, the reward is we continue to dump. The risk is I get sold out for, oh, wait, what the fuck? Did they film me? What? What just happened there? I don't exactly know what happened. I had one contract left. Damn, you got 5 inches in Texas? No, snow's not unusual. No. But as of recently, the winters have not been a ton of snow. Dip buyer's about to get 18 inches right about now. Oh, yeah. I don't know what happened. Feels like it's gonna. Kobe, you were in New York for the Blizzard '96. I was. The Blizzard '96. I was. Dude, it snowed for like 3 fucking days. I remember that. I was in middle school. No, I wasn't 30. I was in middle school, man. It snowed for 3 days. It snowed. It just kept snowing. And like when you thought it was done, like it took a break on like Saturday. The middle day took a break. And like you thought it was over. And this is before cell phones. And then like another band came through and just snowed the whole freaking time. I'm just kind of scalping this thing to the downside. I think we're going to fucking unload, but yeah. Oh, CT. Yeah, I got 26 inches of snow where I was. So depending on where you were in the island, you could have gotten like 20 something inches, or you could have gotten like 12. And it just so happens where I was, we got like 26 inches of snow. And what sucks is I was going somewhere else, and I think they only got like 8 because it was almost in Queens. And the party we were going to was on, and my wife wanted to really go to it. So I had to dig out my car, in my truck, in 26 inches of snow. I have a photo. It snowed so much. I had a car and a truck. My car was completely covered. The snow from the ground touched the snow. You didn't even see the car. I made $1,495 this morning on T-Brown Trade. Can I trade 1 micro the next 2 days, or do I have to make a certain amount? Is that an eval? Full port? If that's an eval, you're going to need to make you need to get to $53,000. Mara James, what's up? What up, Martin? They put in a natural gas generator that spring, never lost gas. Dude. Yo, what up, Ivan? Yeah, things are going pretty good today. Oh, the one I gave you? Oh, yeah, you could flip minis. Just flip, not minis, flip micros. Yo, what up, Desmond? How you doing today, Mara? Are you up? Well, I'm not fucking selling the eval. The eval's ride or die. When I get in on the eval, it's ride or die. So the biggest problem that's going to crush me on the eval is the trailing drawdown, actually. Yo, what up, Stay Blue? Smoked. See, this is what sucks, right? My trailing drawdown was smoked. What is this, 795? I got $385 in drawdown. 500 bucks. Right? 500 bucks. We were talking about this all day yesterday, and I read like a bunch of different things. Let me see. Bro, I want you to get the payout. This account's going to go Toodles also. Toodles. There's no way I'm going to bring back a... Oh, wow. Oh, baby. Bullnox. All right, here we go. Bullnox. Withdrawals. So I think you, man, it's either 500 or you got to go past that and then you can withdraw. They just don't make it freaking clear. Dude, I'm just going to ask. I'll ask the guy. Don't worry. I'm going to ask him right now. All right, I just asked. Let's see what live chat says. Have I ever taken out Bull Knox 50K? Yes. The rules were different. They had different rules. They just revamped all their rules. There must be at least 53,600 on the 50K master account. All right, well, here's your answer, boys. There we go. So you need to get to 53,600, and then you can withdraw $1,000, and that will leave the threshold of $2,600 in the account. If you look, there's definitely a change in the prop firm world where it used to be once you got to 52,600, you could take out 2,000 or 1,500. They've gone away from that to now you almost need to get to almost $54,000. But the good news is once you get there, you have a massive buffer. No, so your drawdown stops at $50,100. So once you go past 52,600, your drawdown never moves up past 50,100. So your drawdown on the 50K account becomes, big. Yo, what up, Tennessee Rob? Yeah, so your drawdown becomes massive for a 50K account. So it's kind of like this. See this account right here? So this is a PA account, right? I'm way past what you need. Look at my drawdown. My drawdown is $3,500. It's not $2,500 anymore. So basically this account, I would have to lose $3,563. Woo! Yo, I could go for, I am tired, man. What happens when you blow an Apex evaluation? Does the account remain active for another eval? It will, if you don't disable it, they will rebill you, and then the account will reset itself to $50,000 even. And when that happens, you just start trading it like normal. Yeah, no issues. Yo, what up, Robert Rod? What up, what up? Yeah, Pascal. So that's what happens. Yo, I'm just so glad they gave me my pro account, my pro account today. Yo, I also traded my not my eval, my funded account here today. I got $390 in it. Somebody thought this was TradingView. This is Volumetrica, if anybody was wondering. But lots of green today, boys. Lots of green. I told you, man. So we already took, what did we take? I took 3 prop firm payouts this year already. We took 3 prop firm payouts already this year. If you guys follow along on my options channel, we're up about 10,000 this year, which is awesome. I told you 2025, and I think I made about $1,000, maybe a little more in my AMP futures account trading personal money. I think we've done pretty well so far. What's my number one strategy? my number one, if I had to pick like one strategy that was like the end all be all. So I have a video that actually back tests this. Well, a couple of things. I would definitely play first touch. Yo, first touch. Yo, what up, watchmaker? First touch 200 obviously is something a lot of people play. It's common. I actually back tested the. So this is the 15-minute opening range. This blue candle, not blue candle. This blue line. I back tested that when you wick below and then trade back through, it's highly successful. And we did it once today, we did it twice today, and then we did it again. So you could have taken this trade 3 different times today. Actually, you would have taken it 4 times. You would have taken it 1, 2, 3, and then we went back underneath 4. I think I did it with like a 15-point take profit. Also, pivots are great. I use pivots all the time. Pivot points. The problem is on a day like today, you're so pivot points are based off of yesterday. So being that it's so spread out, it's hard to play pivot points. But if you look, they came into play today. I mean, we traded all the way back down basically to the pivot point and then bounced. This is actually the best bounce of the day. So right here, you had the 200, you had VWAP, and you had the pivot point all at the same spot. Like, you just have to go in on that. Like, if you don't go in on that, I can't help you. You have 3 things that are there. You know, the percentages are definitely in your favor, super high in your favor. What up, PG? Trading ticks is in the house. Yo, some of you guys that got take profit trader accounts, did you activate them? I just want to make sure. My goal was to get a prop firm payout on average every week. So no choice to take baby gains. Yeah, sometimes baby gains is better than big losses. Oh. Yeah, VWAP. I mean, what up, footballer? I mean, honestly, this is definitely choppy. I mean, we definitely chopped around a lot today. Oh, man. Tired. Yo, this PA account was down like over $1,200 today, and we back. EMAs. This account was down like 1,200. I brought it back. I used the paddles. I was like, clear! And then we were back. Back, baby. It was on life support for a bit. But I'm building all the, like, look, I mean, there's quite a bit of PA accounts that these 2 are close to payouts. This one is obviously over a payout. They're probably going to deny it. This is almost halfway there. You know, I'm just building them up. Just building them up as time goes on. What is this? Dude, this PA account was almost smoked. Damn, that, yeah, it was at $200 left. I wonder if I could bring that all the way back. Yeah, trading them individually is the way to go. I like trading them individually. I'll copy trade them. I will copy trade them. Obviously, you've seen me do it, but I do like individually, only because I take a lot of trades through the day that I like to make, you know, $200, $300, and then move on. Yo, Bob the Builder's back. Yo, what's up, man? Is that an anchored VWAP? Yo, Topstep X is messed up. PG, scroll out like this on Topstep X and move around and watch your VWAP move. What's all the hype with well charts? Well charts sucks. Well charts is brutal. Yeah, did it move, PG? Did the VWAP move? VWAP should be at 544 is where VWAP is. Dude, I would not pay. Listen, I would tell you if it was good. Like, I told you guys to go get TradingView, whoever didn't have TradingView, but you guys had well charts is overrated. Yeah, it moved further down, PG. How much do you trust that VWAP now? How much do you trust that one? It's just by your screen, whatever your screen's showing. Yeah, Marie, I'm going to do the same. I have 3 free ones. I'm probably just going to go all in. All in on wealth charts and then just see what happens. Copy trade. No, I probably won't copy trade. I'll just do 3 all in and we'll just see what happens. $2,000 a year is a lot for that software. Like, it doesn't. By the way, this is getting interesting. What up, Brian? I mean, the trend is still down. Oh my fucking God. Fuck me. I just bought 5 minis. Fuck. Oh, jeez. That was stupid. Although I would be up a fuck ton of money right now. I'd have been up like $300 or $400 on that little move with 5 minis. Yo, what up, Tapped? Dude, I can't believe I just did that shit. I changed my VWAP on Topstep to decade instead of session. Seems more accurate now. Yeah, shoot, I just did that. I mean, when you're swapping back and forth, it happens. I mean, my trend indicator is still telling me down is like the Mandalorian says, is the way. Let's go. I can't believe I just did that fucking thing where I bought 5 minis instead of 5 micros. Oh, that just ruins the whole thing. That just ruins the whole thing. With Cove, we're either sky high or rock bottom. I mean, I feel like we're sky high more than we're rock bottom. I feel like we I try, man. Oh man, my eye. Yo, you guys like that? You guys like that? Come on. Somebody took that with me. Who took it? Who took it? Who took it? You like that? If you took it, guys.
Thank you for your vote of confidence.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I was definitely in. I was in, and I got the stamp of approval.
I'm Donald Trump, and I approve this message.
Are you not entertained? Yo.
Are you not entertained?
Oh. I filled that 600 only because I could see them just holding 600. I could see them pinning the market right here for the close. Woo! Yo, if you didn't know, daily loss limit is done with Take Profit Trader, by the way. So I'm going to start trading with them even more than I did. And I already got a pro account. I am going for daily payouts. That is one of my goals of 2025. I already got the pro account. I mean, this does look shitty. Like, if we weren't at 600, I'd still be in. Oh, Ric Flair style. Woo! How we doing? We're doing pretty good. I passed a Take Profit Trader account today, and they gave me a pro account same day, and I traded in it. I got rebuild in a Tradeify account, and I'm up 725 in it. And then, dude, it's probably the last firm I never gotten a payout. It's probably the only firm who I trade with like often that I've never gotten a payout from. I'm just thinking I mean, I didn't get a Tradeify payout, but like I don't trade with them all the time. I only buy them when there's like a big deal. And I haven't gotten very many accounts with them at all. I think I've gotten 4 or 5 accounts with them. One time I blew one because I thought it was an eval. I had a mind lapse. But yeah, everybody I trade with, I've gotten a payout from. And what was crazy is Take Profit Trader, I was over for a payout and I just wanted one more trade. And one more trade became blow the account. One more trade. Pro accounts. So a pro account is an eval that I passed. So I basically passed the eval and now I'm on to the funded account. That's all that means. That's all that is. Just trying to make a couple bucks. I'm gonna try placing a thing in Robinhood. Dude, I'll be honest with you. This whole Robinhood thing is so annoying, man. I hate trading on the phone. Trading on the phone might be the worst. Let me see. Oh, here we go. Try Rhythmic on your phone. No way, man. I tried that. I'm thinking bullish dollar next week. How I feel about I haven't looked at the dollar, but I know the dollar was climbing up like a week ago. And that was one of the issues that people were having. Not people were having, but like the fact of I think the dollar is going to be strong. That could definitely be the cause of the market to pull back. I've been thinking about all different things that can cause the market to pull back. There's a lot. There's a lot that is going on, and I'm just trying to figure out what the next theme will be. Because whatever it is going to come. It's going to come soon too. Dude, I'm just looking to see what I got here. I was trying to place an options trade real quick. My bad. Finally switched my bias to long. So, dude, you're trying to DCA with micros? Let me see what's going on here. Do not come. Do not come. I got good entries on EU. Just going to hold my sells at break even. Yeah. I don't know. I think we're in for a real whirlwind of shit coming up. I think you're going to get the Trump push, you know, Trump, Trump, Trump. And then I think he's just going to start tweeting a bunch of stuff, and you're going to get some whipsaw in the market. That's what I think is going to happen. Just look for some craziness. I mean, we're chopping here. I mean, we should have dumped further, but 600 held. I mean, that was an awesome hold right there. If you look, hold. You know, if we weren't at 21,600, we probably would have continued to sell through and target the bottom here. Look at those wicks. No juice whatsoever. No juice. I mean, look, you're at the same place we were an hour and a half ago. I mean, we're not going anywhere. We're chopping here. We popped, came back down, chopped, dropped below, and now we're just in the chop zone again. Diamond butt cheeks, baby. Yo, so I was always wondering how they came up with hodl. There's some guy who misspelled hold, and it went viral. That's how they got hodl. It was just a misspelling. Fucking hysterical. Bro, imagine if Kamala would have won. Dude. I don't understand how you can tax somebody with unrealized gains. I don't think that would have ever passed, to be honest with you. Sorry, I'm new for the prop firm. No, Pascal, ask. Yo, Pascal, you could ask any question. That's what this channel is for, man. It's for people to learn and talk and get better. So sorry for the new to the platform, but if you fail in the eval, you could try again as long as you pay the monthly fee. Or you can reset it, or you can cancel the one that you failed and get a new one, depending on what's cheaper. The account will reset at the start of each month until you pass the pro account. Yes, it will keep resetting until you pass the pro account. Yep. That is exact. If you fail 3 months and the fourth is successful, yes. Well, then they put you into a funded account, and then that funded account, you have to go to the profit goal, and then you can take money out. Yep. Yep. And Pascal, if you don't get that, I can word it maybe differently, but yeah, it will keep rebilling until you pass, and then you're in a funded account. Yo, there would have been a lot of issues. Yo, what up, Ace? Coach Cove. Yeah, Pascal, that's what it's about. Because you know what? You're probably not the only person in the room that has that question. you know. Printing Benjis, pretty much, man. I'm up all over the place. Jay Styles. I even took a trade in the old Bullnox funded account. I keep forgetting to trade in it, to be completely honest. Yo, Mike, don't worry. We've all been there, man. We've all been there. What do you think? They finally demolished this thing all the way down? The end of the day, it gets crazy. You're going to have a lot of when selling the lows pays off. You're going to have a lot of what do you call it? Algo candles. Yeah, I treat take profit trader accounts a little bit different because they're more expensive. 100%. Got to treat them different. Yeah, I assumed we were gonna dump here end of day. I mean, the day's not over. The day is not over. I was looking for a dump here end of day, but who knows? Maybe it pumps. You know, maybe it just rips here end of day. That'd be crazy. Imagine it just rips to freaking high a day here. Or it goes nowhere, no real profit. Yeah. I will say it's tight. It's tight. I mean, we're trading within like a 10-point freaking range here. Do they just run it up? Yo, close that break even on the day? Bro, that'd be wild. Wild. It's just so tight. Brad Rogers, what up? I'm short, so look for that pump. Oh, baby. If they close this at high a day, that would be freaking impressive. That would be pretty impressive. Yo, what's interesting is Celsius Celsius energy drink is down almost 1.5% today when everything is up. Yeah, MOC is in 2.5 minutes. 2.5 minutes. What are we thinking, guys? Up or down? Up or down? I'm sure I should be down. Thinking down? I'm not playing it. I thought we were going to sell off here end of day, which means up. I had no idea, but I think yesterday was flashed down and then it ripped. Remember that? Oh, baby. Less than 2 minutes. When you pass the Apex evaluation and get the pro account, you just have to pay activation of $85. $85 one time. One time, $85. And then and then you're on to the funded account. I'm just trying to flip this account green on the day. In the drop down, there should be a one-time $85 is what you should see. One time $85, and that's what you use. Yeah, Jay Styles. I mean, I was just trying to flip this account green, but not happening. Stopped out. But in the drop down, there should be a one-time fee. It should be $85, and that's what you select. Here it is, 10 seconds. I'm willing to. Oh, are you fucking kidding me? They wicked me out. Watch, they're gonna rip it. Only if it goes over. Didn't really do anything. I was hoping for freaking something better than that. You're going nowhere. I thought you wanted it to go down. It's down. This thing's looking like it's going to sell off. Yeah, I thought you said down. I thought you were on the. I think they're going to close it at 600. 600, it just seems like it's going to stay there. I mean, you definitely have broken the trend, though. I mean, Let us never speak of this again. Just awful, awful trading. I hate trading the last like 15 minutes of the day. Does it reject and just hammer down? I hate trading now, though. This is like the worst. My guess is it closes at 600. I don't think they're going to push it really anywhere. Yeah, I mean, I think we're just going to sit around here. Oh, are they going to, is this going to go crazy? This is such a stupid move. Do not follow this. What the absolute fuck just happened? What the absolute fuck just happened? Did that just fucking happen? Did that just happen? Bro. What the fuck was that? Dude, that was some fucked up shit. Wow. Dude, it dropped 40 points in a flash. And it, this is why I don't trade the last fucking 15 minutes of the day. I don't think I ever make money the last 15 minutes of the day. I'm 20 seconds. Mike, why didn't you let me know, man? If you're ahead of me, you should have let me know. Yeah, Mike, there's a delay in the YouTube's probably delayed a little bit. You're not ahead of me. We're seeing it at the same time. It's just YouTube's delayed a little bit. Who doesn't take $400 fucking dollars? I can't believe I didn't just take $400. I was just up $400 and didn't fucking take it. Yo, that would have been the fucking indicator, bro. Just tell me everything that happens. Oh, man. I got to check the latency, see if there's if I can make the delay less. I want to see them get under this fucking candle. Get under this candle. Get under. Get the fuck under. Dude, I'm just taking that. I mean, no. He just needs to hit the live button. Oh, yeah. Yeah, he may not have me live. Maybe slightly delayed. I mean, I guess I made 200 and something of it back, but fuck, man. Yo, it just feels. Yo, it feels like somebody's about to let this shit go. It feels like they're about to let it go. I don't know if they will, but come on. Come down to like 70. All right, I just got 200 more of it back, or close to at least. Bro, this account was just down 900 and something dollars. Because I was going to spread my, originally I was in here because I was going to spread my sales out in different spots. But now that we're running out of time, I would just trade minis. No, wealth charts has to be used on wealth charts. When they give you the accounts, it's a wealth chart account. I mean, it's a little bit more commissions, but I mean, you made, it's not $200 worth of commissions. Oh, geez. You know what I'm going to do, actually? Just pop it in old eval and see what happens. Mike, normally I would trail stops down. Do not follow me with this. This isn't normally how I'm trading. Literally, this is an eval that has almost no drawdown, and it's either going to make me higher or I'm getting rid of the eval, because I'm not going to sit here and focus on an eval that has $200 left of drawdown. But yeah, no. So if I was in this normally, I would have followed it down, is what I would have done. I would have followed it down. I probably would have taken profits on the way down. And that's pretty much how I would have gone about exiting the position. I go big on evals, and then I take my time on the funded accounts. Evals, I'm looking to pass them in 1 to 3 trades. 1 to 3 trades. My pass rate is normally like 1 in 3. 1 in 3, 1 in 4, normally more like 1 in 3. It's probably like 30% pass rate. You know, I basically just look for a setup I like, and I'll take 5 minis, and I'll let it ride for, you know, maybe like 15 points. And then I look for 2 more trades, and then it's passed. Not a terrible day. This is the only PA account that was down. Well, this is down $43, but this is down 400. But look how much money we made in PA accounts there, PA accounts there. This is a funded account for $725, and I got my pro account, one trade for 66. Overall, we made a lot of money today. Yeah, so Mike, the big thing is waiting for the right setup. You know, what I'm looking for something like that is like, you know, we travel this far and we bounce off the 200. Like, I'll take 5 minis right there. You know, because I know if we do bounce, we're probably going to bounce 15, 20 points, and I'll be able to get the majority of the money I need. Y'all, it was great trading today, guys. This was the only account I was down in, and I'll be honest with you, that was pretty much at the end doing stupid shit. Outside of that, we won. We won a lot. I hope you guys don't get tired of winning.
We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning.
It's too much.
Can't take it anymore.
Can't take it anymore. Yo, I just cracked my back. Monday, the market ends at 1 p.m. I am going to stream 10:30 to like 1. I mostly don't play the breakouts, Mike, because if you're wrong, all right, I'll explain it to you right now. All right, this is why I don't love breakout trading. If you're wrong, here's an example, right? So say you were looking for this to break out, right? And you took this green candle over this for the breakout, and you're like, oh, we're going to break out and go up. Well, it does go up, and then you get slammed down for 30-something points. You end up selling out for a loss, and then it ends up going up anyways.
The markets are closed.
So I always look for pullbacks to either areas of support or to certain moving averages. On my chart, I have the 34. Like when we're grinding up, I'm looking for a pullback to the 34. You know, this got really close. This was one, you know, and when we're under it, we get under the 34. I'm looking for it as resistance. So I don't play breakouts because if it doesn't break out, you're going to get stopped out and the move can still happen. You would have to be willing to have a large, oh, my kids just got home. Hold on, I'll be right back. Yo, we're going to do the duck race. I'm going to fill up water and I got to open up the door. I'm back. My bad. Every day I gotta open up the door because ever since the Amazon guy walked in to my house, because my door was unlocked and I was live on the stream, ever since he did that, I now have to keep the door locked. So you wait for it to re-enter the 15 or the candle is green to go with it. What's your decision making? Thanks for helping out. I look for certain like I just look for pullbacks. Why did he say he did it? Oh, you didn't shoot him? No, I could have. Hold on one second, Mike. So I look for pullbacks, and I'm looking at the 1 and the 5, and I'm looking for breaks. Like today, I drew this. This was a wedge. I actually played this short. We were actually in this short right here, and I sold out. And then I had the wedge, and then once we broke out of the wedge to the upside, I actually played it. I was off the stream, but there's definitely just straight up trends. I wait for pullbacks to the orbs. This is the 15-minute opening range. I look for pullbacks back to it. The market is rangy. So you're just looking for moves that sweep. This was great. We swept over the hourly opening range and then back in and then continue to trade down the rest of the day. Why did he say he do it? He said he was looking for a house number that's not my house number. Yeah. Yep. I don't know if you guys could have heard it. I think he thought I wasn't home. Yeah. I did not fix him a coffee, I can tell you that. Yeah, he was looking for the house number inside my house. So this is the 200. This is the 105, which comes out to be the 21 on the 5. This is the 34, and then this is the 9. I use the 9 for when we really start moving to show trend. When you're moving fast, I want to see it stay under the 9 to stay in. Maybe he was looking for free longs. Oh, man, I thought I was just going to relax after work, but I just got orders from Mrs. Cove that I got to go out. All EMAs, yeah, all EMAs. That's where I keep my house number, so I don't want anybody to steal it. I'm going to go. Yo, what's crazy is someone actually looked up my house number recently. It was fucking creepy. So creepy. He actually told me he did. So creepy. I was like, people are fucking weird. People are so weird. I'm going to go to Cove's house, but I'll be honest. Sorry, bro. I was going to rob the joint, but I don't think anyone was home. Dude, that's what it was like, man. He just walked in the house and he was like looking around, like looking up. My truck wasn't in front of the house, so I don't know what he thought. What's up, Akash? Yeah. All right, 3 minutes, submit it, and we're gonna run the duck race at 420. But yeah. Look at that. Just couldn't, right up to the pivot point. You know what's funny was we were on the stream talking about that. When we first got on the stream, I was talking about the hourly right at the pivot point. We were right here when I was talking about it too. We were up though. It was either, yeah, because I got on at 2 o'clock. This would have been 2 o'clock. What chart is that? This is the hourly. This is the 15-minute, and this is the 5-minute. And it just has a couple things on it, but the pivot point was right here. And I was saying that that's a great spot. We traveled all the way up into this fair value gap, and we're hitting the pivot point, and it'd be a good spot to reject. This is TradingView. Do you keep the same EMA for the 1 and the 5? I don't really look at EMAs on the 5. When I bring up a 5-minute chart, I'm looking for structure more than I'm looking for EMAs. I'm looking for fair value gaps. I'm looking for things like that on the 5. I'm looking for trends. I'm looking for support, resistance. This was a great fucking short up here too. It's just so, I'll be honest with you, it's so hard for me to look at all my charts plus stream, plus read the chat. That's why I don't stream all day long, because it's definitely more difficult to trade while I'm streaming. And it's not anybody's fault or anything. It's just, it's hard for me to answer. I answer everybody's question. If you didn't know, I go through the whole chat. I read what people are saying, and I answer every question. So it's hard for me to do that, plus keep an eye on all these different monitors I have around here. Oh yeah, we were trading right here. Remember that? We were trading, and I said, this is the inside candle, and I said below 623 is a short, and sure enough, we unloaded. Dude, Ray's going to be in Europe for a while. I think he's in Germany for like months. What's my setup look like? Like this? Like what I'm looking at? I also took the opening range trade today. So I actually back tested this, and it's literally the 829 candle, which was this. You break to the downside or the upside, you can get 20 ticks. Actually, that opening range trade made me like $200 and something today. I'm doing it from here on out. It's the opening range below and top, and it can go down and then trade lower, and then when it breaks up, I take it again. How many screens and what am I looking at? I have 4 screens. you are looking at one of them. You're looking at one of 4 screens is what you're looking at. You're just looking at this, which is where I trade. This is, you just see what I trade, and then I have 4 trading view tabs. On my other monitor over here, I have trading view tabs up that have different indicators on them. I also have, I run this, so I just kind of see what the trend is doing. This is the trend. I have Discord up. I got some other tabs up for trading, and I also I trade options as well during the day, so I have some option stuff up. My positions, what I'm in today, year to date. I talk about all this stuff also if you're interested. But I got all that stuff on all my different monitors. Plus, I have an options flow scanner up so I can see all the options flow. So I got, yeah. Okay. Let me let this rip. Closing the entries. For anybody that's new, because I know we got a lot of new people on today, we stream every day, 10:30 until noon. And then we do it again from 2 p.m. until 4:30-ish, 5, whenever the questions are done. People got to go. If you like, we give away accounts constantly through the week. If you want to support the channel, it's free. All you use is coupon code COVETRADER. It's below. It works at all the prop firms. It will save you money, so never pay full price. And that's pretty much it. I'm just setting this duck rate. I can't see the screen. Hold on. I don't know why that fucking ad came up. If you see somebody in there more than once, it's because they're on the morning stream and they got an extra duck. Yo, Bartolo. Bartolo got that Trump duck. Yo, they gotta make the Trump duck fucking. Ray, not a real one. He just came for the giveaway. Oh, jeez. Ray been around. Let's go. Carl. Well, sorry. In Take Profit Trader rules, I read this. Don't hold open. Yeah, don't do it, dude. Yeah. You'll lose the account, Carl. You will lose the account. Don't do it. Wah. Wah. Bah. Oh, come on, baby. Yo, is the Trump duck going to win for the first time? I don't think so. He's out in front. He's out in front. Uh-oh. CT just moved up. Oh, baby. Keystone again. No. Coach Fred. Coach Fred's here. I think I just saw him. Fucking whack. Totally rigged. Shoot me an email. Oh, man. Dude, today was a wild day. Today was a wild. Monday is a short day. I don't know what's going to be like Monday. I have a feeling, to be honest with you, we're just going to trend up on Monday. I think it's going to be one big trend day up on Monday. Yo, how many screen names do I have? Fred's been around. Fred's been around for a while. Coach Fred. Oh, man. I'm going to set up that tick chart if Design Knob is in here. I'm going to set up that tick chart this weekend. Yo, you got to send me an email. And then I'm going to need your like PayPal, Venmo, or Zelle. Boom. Today was definitely choppy. Yeah, it usually works if you say that's how it works. That's how it works. Yo, later, Akash. We'll be back Monday. Oh, on here? Yeah, I was trying to do it on later, Cat. Yo, what up, Truth? Yo, Truth, did you get your you Take Profit Trader account? You should have the Take Profit Trader account. If you don't see it, it's in credits. So you got to go don't purchase, but act as if you were gonna. Oh, so if you go and Take Profit Trader, act like you're gonna buy an account, but don't pay with your credit card, and there should be something there that says credits for a 50K account. Yo, later, CT man. Yo, what up, Liquidated? Yo, Carl, I'll be honest with you. I just would not trade anybody but Apex after hours. Other than that, Take Profit Trader doesn't have any other rules. Yo, day was good, man. I made money everywhere, except for one account. My Tradeify account, my Take Profit Trader accounts, my funded futures accounts, my options account. Yo, he's in on Monday. Monday is going to be wild, man. I think we're going to trend up on Monday. I think it's going to be one big trend day, and then I don't know what's going to happen after that. Once he gets his fingers on Twitter, dude, that would be an awesome payout. That would make some waves if you get it up that high. People definitely be talking about that. People would definitely be talking if you took 300 G's out. Oh. Yeah, how about $6? I'll be back Monday. I've been in the bushes watching. Introduce you. Oh, Jay Styles. Yo, awesome, man. Corey's great. Yeah, man. Yo, come in and you're free to ask, questions. If you have got questions, ask away, man. That's what this is about. Pop and drops. Monday's a half day. Market closes at 1. So I'm going to come on around 10:30 and I'll trade live from 10:30 till through 1. So it's going to be the old half day. Oh, man. I got to reach out to Corey again. I gave Corey my number, and I'm wondering if he hooked his thing up. And he's all set. Oh, man. Well, I'm in for a payout, but they're probably going to deny me. Probably going to get denied a payout here. But I'm over, and we'll see what happens. Yo, it's so weird. Now I got to go back to you don't trade all weekend. Not trading on the weekends, like fun and weird at the same time. You get to time to relax and everything, but at the same time, it's like, I don't know. Want to get back in it? Man, I'm so glad that we turned around and made $500 in this account at the end of the day. Trading is life, bro. It really is. Dude, my forecast just changed from 1 inch to 1 to 3 during the day and then 1 to 3 at night. Snow forecast keeps growing by me. Probably going to get some good snow on Sunday. Yo, I'll check the emails. I'm waiting on somebody else to email me too. Dude, I got a bunch of stuff I got to handle this weekend. I rarely trade. I don't trade the night session. Night session's rough. Super rough. John, oh, what's up, John Davey? Yo, welcome to the stream, brother. Welcome. How's your day today? I mean, seriously, I really want to get a job, but I can earn minimum wage in a split second. It's true. I'll sometimes stream at night just to hang out and trade, but more hang out and shoot the shit with everybody than actually trade. You know, it's more of just a hangout. I've done a couple night streams. Usually when the wife goes out for like girls' night and the kids are in bed, I got nothing to do, I'll pop on and stream at night. Load up a couple of evals and go to town on those. Yeah, I don't know when gold moves around. I'm like the worst person for that. I know gold moves around during Asia time at what is it, like 8:30, 9:30 at night? When do I night stream? Not always. Very, like, I don't know, once or twice a month, sometimes, maybe like once a month on average. There was like 1 month I did it back-to-back weeks. You know, I don't like streaming at night, to be honest with you, because, you know, I'm trading all day, you know, and then you trade all night, and then you go to bed and you wake up and you're trading. It's just sometimes becomes a lot. It's a lot on my brain. You got to remember, I'm through the day, I'm trading futures, I'm trading stocks, I'm trading options. Then I'm, you know, talking on the stream and hanging out. It's just a lot. So I like to decompress and just kind of head out at night and not really stream. Yeah, I've been doing it since 2007, Flip. I was right out of college when I started. Smoke a J and relax. You ain't kidding, man. There's crypto on the weekend. Crypto all weekend. All weekend you got crypto. All weekend we got crypto. Why pay tax? Dude, I just had to pay taxes. I literally just paid taxes. I had to send in my estimated taxes. It was due 2 days ago. Khalid, how can I enter the giveaway? You could hang out. You got to hang out for at least a day. Otherwise, Streamlabs doesn't allow you in it. And then you also have to probably show up on Monday. Is, you know, everything's done today, but Monday would be the day. Oh, Roth IRA, no taxes. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I trade in an AMP account. It's just regular income. Regular income. But yeah, Streamlabs has a thing. So people, brand new people or people signing up multiple accounts can't just come in and join. So you got to be here for like, I think it's like an hour and then you could join in. Yeah, AMP is just a regular brokerage. You could definitely get a Roth IRA probably. Oh, AMP is good. I like AMP. I use AMP with Quant Tower. Since you're a young American, then tax benefits are trading in a Roth IRA, which are tax free. Yeah, and then you take it out with you take it out, and then you get taxed when you take it out. Oh. Man, this was a wild day. It was a wild week. I want to take payouts from all these accounts by the end of the month. How many more trading days do I got? 10? 10 trading days of $200 gets me money in all these accounts. 10 trading days of even $1,500 gets me money of $150. This was the opening. Well, no, this was the opening range trade today. It was like $280. Have you not gotten a payout, Ray? No payout? I just hope I can avoid going tilt again. Went twice this month already. I was in the payout land, but blew it twice. Ooh. Yo, once you're set for a payout, just stop trading the account. Just go to a different, click the tab and just shut it off. Dude, we're all taking payouts. That's what it's about. I was like, just another $100. Oh, geez, Ray. So what account did you make $26,000 in that time, Ray? What account was that? Just open an AMP Roth IRA. Yo, losing trades eat you up. Everybody, it's easy to make money. It's harder to keep it. Super easy to make a trade and win. It's not losing it is the key. Oh, man. I just always blow. Instead of taking the money, I always want the cushion. Forget about the cushion. Always take the money. Always take the money, man. I took the money from my funded futures. It blew the account when I took the money, but I took the money. You know, it was like, I don't know, $700. I think it was like on the first day of the year too, because I just wanted to pay out on the first day of the year. So I just took it. But yeah, I mean, same thing with like Topstep. I just took the money twice, you know, just take it when you can. Oh, jeez. But all right, guys, I am calling it a day. I gotta go get dressed. I gotta be out at dinner at oh, these trend lines. Yeah. I like marking the chart up for everybody on the stream so they could see what it is rather than just, you know, just to see the trends and things like that. Yeah, I gotta be at dinner at 6 o'clock. Enjoy the weekend. Go make some friends. Make memories. Enjoy everybody. And I will see you on Monday at 10:30. Peace.